school. Hope you are doing well at your home. This is Ayesha Siddiqua Sara, Assistant Teacher of Arts and Craft at National Light and International School, Morning Shift. Today I am going to take a class for class 1 and today's topic is, I have already written down on board, a floating duck without color. So dear student, you draw with me so that you will open your art copy and ready with your pencil. Floating duck is a very easy topic. First, I will draw a oval and you will draw with me a oval and draw like some two and join like this. After that, draw the head and join also, give the beak. Here a line, the eye, and then draw like this. After that, join like this and erase here and give this and erase this. Though here I have mentioned a floating duck, that's why I will draw water. Okay, dear student, this is a floating duck without color. So my dear student, you must practice at your home more and more time. So no more today. Thank you.